Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suya Fernandez and I make makeup, hair care and skincare videos. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys whatever I have bought from Nykaa for now, like from the sale that was just happening recently, and some products have been bought quite a long time ago and I really did not have the time to film them or make a video out of it. So I thought I'm just gonna compile everything and make one video out of it. So I have quite a lot of products and yeah, I have spent a lot, but it's okay, it makes me happy, so why not. So for this video I have made like a few categories. First one is makeup, then I have skincare, lipsticks, perfumes. Like there's a lot of categories and there are also some freebies that I have got. So I will show you that as well. So let's get started. Let's start with skincare first. So initially I used to use the Dermaco. There's a mask that they sell. It's a clay mask, salicylic acid clay mask if I'm not wrong, and I used to really love that. I think I bought 2 of those jars and I finished them, and I really used to like the way my skin felt after that. So I was really inclined towards buying that again, but then I saw that Plum had a lot of good offers going on Nykaa itself. So I just saw this green tea mask that Plum has. It looks like this. It is Plum's green tea clear face mask, and I will mention the prices of everything down below because I'm really not sure for now, because I've got all of them on like good sale prices. Yeah, so it comes in good quantity. It smells like perfume. It smells a lot like perfume. It comes with this jar lid, and you get quite a lot of product, and it smells really perfumey. It has a very strong scent, and one thing about it is when you use it on your face stings. Okay, it actually stings, it burns, not for a long time, for some time it does, and then it goes away, like maybe for a minute. It's quite bearable, it's not that bad, but if you have sensitive skin, I would really advise you to stay away from it because you might experience some sort of redness. But while buying this product, you do have the disclaimer of your skin burning. They make it quite clear to you, so it's your choice if you want to go with it. It says that it helps in controlling acne and all of those things, helps with acne marks, hyperpigmentation and all of that. I have used it just maybe twice, so it's really difficult for me to say anything about it. I might post a detailed video about it later. Do let me know if you want a detailed video about this in the comment section down below. I wanted to then try a vitamin C serum for my acne pigmentations. As you can see, I haven't used any sort of makeup today, just compact, because I really wasn't feeling it, and I'm really comfortable with my skin, so it doesn't really bother me. Only if I have to go somewhere really fancy, only then will I do a full face. Otherwise just sheer concealer or just compact does the work for me. So I thought I will just work on it. So I got the Plum vitamin C serum. It is 15% vitamin C serum. It has mandarin in it, and it says it boosts glow. Yeah, you cannot keep this in in direct sunlight. You need to keep it in dark places, otherwise it's gonna oxidize and the effectiveness is gonna go down. Again, this has a very strong weird smell, I can say. I used to use the Dermaco vitamin C serum before, but for some reason, I don't know, it just did not work for me. And also that comes in a very transparent glass bottle, and it is always suggested that if you are buying vitamin C, you need to buy it in a bottle that is black in color, because that helps with sunlight not passing through it, and thus the product doesn't get oxidized. So the Dermaco vitamin C that I had, the serum, it actually turned brown in color. It's a clear liquid, but mine turned brown, which clearly shows that it had oxidized to a great extent, and that is why it wasn't working for my skin. So I did not want to go for that one again, and this one had really good reviews, so I bought it again. I haven't used it that much. Yeah, but when I use it again, it helps with the texture. My skin feels really smooth. Like if I apply it at night, in the morning when I wash my face, I do feel a difference. Something to remember is that this cannot be applied on wet or damp skin, because if you do that, the product is gonna react with water, and then its effectiveness is gonna go down again. So it has to be applied on dry skin. So if you're using this, make sure you wash your skin first and then, you know, wipe it, make sure it's really dry, and then only you can use it. Okay, so this is what I bought for skincare. And yeah, that's all for the skincare section. So basically I just bought two products from Plum, and they sent me a freebie which I was really happy about. They sent me two actually. So this is the Oh So Vanilla Trio or Trio, whatever you want to call it. It's a really cute box. It comes with a body, like, you know, lotion, the small size, a body wash, and the mini perfume. So this one is really, you know, trending, and it actually has really good, like, you know, vanilla notes to it. I really like it personally, and it's also very, you know, long lasting. It's really nice. I don't know, I really like it. I finished a lot of it. As you can see, like, you know, it's come up to here. In the future I would love to, you know, buy the bigger size of it because I really liked it. And even the lotion is really good for your skin. It actually makes my skin really soft. It has cocoa butter in it, it's written on it. And I haven't used the body wash, so I really don't know, but it's gonna smell the same. So I got these three things free from Plum, and I am really happy because who doesn't want freebies, right? Yeah, so this is one thing that I got for free. And the second thing that I got was their mascara. Now I haven't opened this still, you can see it's still packed. It's their Lash Drama 1 for all mascara. It lengthens, curls, volumizes and gives definition. It says it's lightweight, lump free and also water resistant, which is good. But I haven't used it, so I really cannot speak on it. But when I do, I will surely, like, you know, make a video, because I already have 3 to 4 mascaras, and I really feel that if I use all of them together, it's, like, you know, gonna lead to them all drying up at once. So I'm just gonna keep this and use it later and see how it works. Okay, so that's all for the Plum section, and that's all for the skincare section. Now let's move on to perfumes. So first of all, I got 2 perfumes for my mom. One is the Layer Water Girl in the variant Vanilla Twist, and the other one is Engage Woman Perfume Spray. The variant is, I don't know what's the, it's the W2 variant, it's written right here. And this one smells very orangey, and this one smells like vanilla. One thing about this is it does smell good, but it doesn't really last. That's why my mom did not like it and she gave it back to me, and now I'm wondering what do I do with it, because I'm not really a perfume person and I don't enjoy, you know, using perfumes that much, just while I have to, like, you know, go for a special thing or two. So if you're looking for something that is not that long lasting but has a good fragrance, you can go for it. Like, you have to reapply this, or you can, like, you know, check them out if you'd like, but I wouldn't really, like, you know, suggest you to go and get it. It's not really that great. Next, what I have is a Bella Vita perfume. So this I haven't bought. This is a gift from a friend, from a very good friend of mine. He gave it to me, and when I used it, I really loved the scent. Okay, it's their bestseller. It's Date Woman. It's the variant Date Woman. It's really nice, and the best part about it is that it lasts easily for 4 to 5 6 hours, and it has a very strong scent, but it's not really bothering as such. But it is, you know, when you walk with it, you know, the perfume actually, people can smell it and they will ask you what are you wearing. So it is that kind of perfume. So when I bought this, I knew this is something that I would like to use, and I would, like, you know, want to see more of their variants. So what I did is I bought this. So this is their whole, you know, variant. This is the box, Bella Vita, and it opens like this, and you have all of their perfumes. Okay, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and on the back you can see their bestsellers. This is the one that I have. Then there's a white one and there's a black one. The white one is unisex, the black one is for men, and the purple one is for women. The MRP is $3.99, but yeah, I got it for lesser. The names are right here. you can get this for yourself and see if it works for you or not. There's a lot to try out from, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. But if you want just one, I would really suggest you to get the purple one if you're a woman, and if you're a man, you can go for the black one that is called CEO, which is also their, you know, bestseller. So yeah, this is all for perfumes. Then I have a compact again. This is from Maybelline. This is not the first time of me, you know, using it. I have used almost all of it, half of it. See, I've already hit pan. This is how much I love this, because it gives me good coverage and the shade match is also pretty good on me. And it's very long lasting, and it's really, you know, inexpensive. I have used the L'Oreal Infallible compact. I have used the Nykaa compact. I have used the Faces Canada compact. I have used this one. But I just like this one. I keep going back to it. The shade is out of stock a lot of times. The shade, I use the shade 330 Toffee. I use the shade 330 Toffee. So if you are my shade, around my skin tone or darker, you can go for you know, 330 Toffee. It's a very nice shade and it gives you a great coverage. That's what I like. For daily wear it is perfect. Okay, so you can definitely check this one out. Then I got the Maybelline concealer. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is what it looks like. So when you open it, you just need to keep twisting like this. I'm not going to twist it because the product is going to get wasted. So you just need to keep twisting it round and round, and the product comes out from the sponge. I have used, you know, some of it. So I had this concealer a few years ago. I think three years ago, yes. And I really loved it. I think this was my first ever concealer that I used, and that is when I was introduced to, like, you know, the world of makeup, like, properly. So I really liked it because first of all, the shade is perfectly matching me. It's a bit on the pricier side if you compare it to the other concealers that are actually good, like from Inside, from Swiss Beauty. I have used those, but I feel those are a bit too orange for me or a bit too yellow for me. But the formula of those are great. But personally, I love the shade on me, and the consistency and everything is perfect, and it's also very long lasting. So what I do is I just take some of it and apply it, blend it out, and then I use the same compact over this. So, you know, I just need 2 products and I'm done with my base. I don't really go for foundations on a daily basis because it gets too heavy and too cakey and I really don't like the look. So if you are looking for something for a daily basis, you can just buy this and the matching compact that goes with it, and you're all set and ready to go. That was all for the base products. Now what I have is a few lip products and we are done. So let me start with this one. So this is from Mars Cosmetics. I love Mars Cosmetics. If you don't know, they are really good, really inexpensive Indian brand, but their products are really nice. Okay, and they are really, like, you know, stepping up their game with the products recently, be it look wise, be it product wise, be it quality, quantity wise. Everything about them is really good. So you should definitely check them out if you haven't already. So this is the Mars Velvet lipstick, and this is in the shade Brown Sugar. This is what it looks like. It has a very luxurious packaging, as you can see. You know, it doesn't look really cheap or anything of that sort, and it's like a lipstick, a bullet form. And I'll just show you the shade swatch. So it's a very pretty, you know, nude, pink nude lipstick, as you can see, and it's really good for everyday use. But the one thing about it is that it is not at all long lasting. It doesn't have a matte finish. It has a very velvet finish, satin to velvet, like, you know, shiny finish. So it goes off pretty soon. You can just try using a compact, not a compact, like some loose powder on top of it to, like, you know, make it last longer, to make it matte. The shade is really pretty, no doubt, but I just do not really like the formula of it. I wish it was a bit more long lasting, but overall the product is good. You can go for it if you like that sort of a finish, but if you're looking for something that is long lasting, this is really not for you. Then I have 3 lipsticks from Inside Cosmetics. I love Inside Cosmetics as well, trust me. This is what I got, and this is my old lipstick from inside. I'll show you what happened to this after constant use, or I must say abuse. So when I open it, oh, this is another one that I have. I was not speaking about this one. Let me show you the one that I was actually speaking about. Yeah, so actually I basically have 3 of these. See, 3 of these, they are all different. This one is a darker shade called Forget Me. I am not going to speak about that right now because it's an old one. I just wanted to show you a comparison of my old lipstick. So as you can see, the color and everything is gone. I got this a year ago, yes, a year and a half ago, and you can see it's fully finished. Okay, this is how much I love using this. I swear on this product, it is really good. It is truly good. It is, the shade that I have finished is Stay Basic. If you're looking for a nice brown nude shade for everyday wear, even if you are dusky, this is something that you're gonna love. You can just go for it. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge, it is totally transfer proof, and it stays a long time. So you can definitely go for that one. This is a new shade that I bought. This is called How Are You. This is a pink nude, that is a brown nude, and if I compare it, I like the previous one better, but I have to finish this now. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's a very luxurious packaging. Doesn't look cheap or flimsy at all, and the product, the quality of it is amazing. The product value that you're getting for the price of it is truly amazing. I'll show you a swatch. So you can instantly see the difference between both the formulas. This has dried down to a matte, and the top one has dried down to like a satin velvet finish. See, it's a very pretty shade if you're looking for something for a daily basis, and then pairing it up with a lip liner is going to just change the whole game. So you can definitely try this one out. It's really pretty and very inexpensive, and you're gonna love this one. So you can definitely check this one out. But if you're looking for a brown nude, I would suggest you to get the other one. That's like, you know, pretty much more nicer and more suited for daily usage. Another one from Inside. This is the shade Wild Card. This is a liquid lipstick. Again, very inexpensive, good quantity. And actually I wanted something that was a bit more nude. That's what it looked like on the site, but in person it's really dark and it really pops out. So if you're looking for a lipstick that stands out, you can go for this. But if you're looking for something that is nude, this is not for you. I'll just swatch it right here. As you can see, it is really pigmented, okay, and even this one doesn't transfer. It's really long lasting and it stays. It doesn't, I can swear on this, it doesn't budge at all. It's gonna last you for a long time. And if you like a shade, I mean, if you get the shade that would suit you perfectly, then you are in a win-win situation, because it's very inexpensive and it is not going to move at all, okay. Another product from Inside. This is the Inside Lip Cream. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really fancy. This one again was a gift from my friend. I did not buy this one, but the design really intrigued me. So you open it like this, and you know, you get the applicator, something like this. And I'll show you the swatch. So this is the color. It is really bright, okay. There are a lot of shades in this, but this is what she gave me. It's like a pinkish red. Would go really good with a black dress, you know, just by itself with some nude eye makeup. Haven't used it so much because it's too dark and it doesn't really suit me, like, you know, on a daily basis. But I would love to, you know, make a video on this and try it in the future. I'll let you know how this works. Then I got this kajal from Inside Cosmetics. It's a brown kajal. I'll show you. See. So the story behind this is, I haven't bought it to apply it on my eyes, okay. I saw an influencer's video. I really don't remember who she is, but what she did is she basically lined her lips with this, and then she filled a nude lipstick inside, okay, because it looked really good. I bought it. And the second thing is, I can never really find a lip liner that is dark enough for me, for my lips, because personally I have really pigmented lips. No, I do not smoke. That is how my lips have been already. My lips have been always since I was, you know, younger. So don't come at me. No, I do not smoke, nor do I, like, you know, advertise smoking, or I do not like it. I just hate it. Yeah, so when you apply this and then apply a, you know, nude lipstick in between, it looks really good. And like, you know, that's what I did. I applied the, you know, lip liner, as you can see, and you know, I applied the nude lipstick, the How Are You shade that I just showed you, and applied some gloss on top, and it looks really nice. Okay, so you can do this, and then you can use it on your eyes as well, but I would prefer you use it either on your lips or on your eyes, because if you're going to use it on your waterline and your lips, you might get an infection because your eye area is really sensitive. So I'm not going to, you know, advise you into doing that. Okay, so now for the last product of this video, is gonna be my most expensive buy when it comes to makeup. I do have a lot of other products that are expensive, but they are all gifts. This one is something that I bought by myself and gave it a lot of thought. This is the MAC Maximal lipstick. Okay, so the thing is, it came with this box. It's a Nykaa luxury store box, and it was really exciting because I never really purchased anything from their site before. I mean, from the luxury, you know, section. This is what it came like, and yeah, it was really exciting. Yeah, I've got lipstick on my hand now. Just ignore this. This is what happens, you know, when you do these things. So I'm just gonna show you the lipstick up close. This is what it looks like. It has, like, you know, the detailing, the brand name on it. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, the camera is not really catching it, but yeah, it has like MAC written on it. The shade and everything is at the back. The shade is called Whirl, and it is from the Maximal Matte lipstick range, and it says it's made in Belgium. This is how it opens. One thing about this, it smells heavenly. It smells like a bakery. It smells delicious. It smells amazing. When I smell it, I want to eat it. Okay, it smells that good. So then it just glides out really smooth, and this is the amount of product that you get. And again, you know, you have the whole branding on the lipstick as well, which is again another detail that looks really pretty. But the coverage is very sheer, at least for me on my lips. Since I have pigmented lips, it really doesn't work for me. So I was a bit disappointed and heartbroken, because I've heard that the matte powder kiss lipsticks are really pigmented. So even if you use it, you know, on bare lips, even if you have pigmented lips, you do get a lot of coverage. But it's not the case with this one. I'll show you the shade. Okay, so this is the shade. As you can see, it's a really pretty shade. Okay, no doubt. And the texture of this lipstick is amazing. Like, when you use it, your lips just feel very different. They feel very lightweight, and they feel, I don't know, you don't really get a very similar feeling to the other lipsticks that you use, like the dry or, like, you know, the thick thing. This is very comfortable, and I mean I feel really excited right now. That is how excited I feel while I use this. You get a very different sort of a feeling while you use it. It feels totally different on the lips. But the only complaint that I have is with the shade. But I really cannot sit with it. I have to make it work. So what I do is, I use like a nude lipstick below, like the shade How Are You, and on top of that I use this as a topper, and then this gives me the shade that I need, plus it gives me the, you know, the texture that I really love. So, you know, it's a win-win for me. I personally love doing that. I do that a lot, and it looks good. It personally looks good. I'll upload a separate video on how I do that and how it looks. So, you know, do subscribe to my channel if you want to see how that goes. Yeah, but I like this. It's a good product. I would like to, you know, get some more shades in the future. Not as of now, because I need to make some more money so that I get more of it. Yeah, there was this one product that I actually forgot to mention about. This is the Swiss Beauty white kajal or kohl pencil, whatever you want to call it. I basically got it like, you know, to use it on my waterline and get that nude you know, eye makeup look. It's very intense. See, it's really intense, and it is also smudge proof, which I really like, and you get a good quantity as well. And it's gonna work great if you like, you know, want to try graphic liners or anything. Like, you know, just layer this up first and then, you know, use any other base colored eyeshadow on top of it, which is gonna make it pop. Or you can use it just by itself, like, you know, as a graphic line or anything. And it also doesn't smudge. It's, you know, smudge proof, so I really like that as well. So if you're looking for a white kajal, which I was doing for a long time, you can go for this one. It is really, really good. So that's all for this video, guys. That's all that I have bought. I hope I haven't missed out anything, because, you know, all of my products are just scattered all around my house. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been quite a long video, but I hope you had fun. I will surely post some more videos of trying, you know, these products out and giving detailed reviews on each of them. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you do not miss any of that. And thank you so much for subscribing. If you have already, it really means a lot to me. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much once again, and have a great day ahead.